This video is about the emphasis word. Now, what I mean by that is that every sentence has an emphasis word. For example, excuse me. So excuse is the strong sound. It's like that ooh sound. You're going to get some emphasis. Can you tell me what the station is? Station is a strong sound. It's that Asian A sound. Emphasize that. It's over there. So over is going to be the strong sound. It's like a O. Okay, so emphasis right there. Can you help me? So help me is the emphasis word. It's like a hell sound. So I need to find a hospital. So hospital is the emphasis word. Ha. So that there. Now you might want to do this differently. You might want to say, I need to find a hospital. So in that case, you're changing the emphasis word to need. I need to find a hospital. So you can do this as you go through different sentences, identify which is the emphasis word. I usually find it's a word of description or action that sort of sums up the sentence. But you can listen to, let's say, maybe native speakers for how they do it. They probably don't say it strongly like I'm doing it here. They might just say, excuse me, or, can you tell me where the station is? So you think, well, where's the emphasis in that? But there will be some kind of emphasis in every sentence. Look for it and try it out in your own practice and see how you get on. Good luck. Later.